Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2014 Hyundai ELANTRA. If you're wondering how in the world to get the belt off, well, it's very simple. Go to the alternator, loosen this belt, this bolt. There's one that's literally on the tensioner, which will be, let's see, I want to make sure you guys can see it. I'm in a glare, I do apologize. But on the very bottom of the alternator, I'm trying to get my finger down there for you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sitting right there. You loosen that up, and then you start loosening this bolt up, and the alternator will go up and down. And how you want to tighten it, you just keep those two bolts loose, and then go ahead. I use a power right here, or you can use a power ratchet, or you can ratchet it by hand. I don't do that, it'll take all day. Zip right on up, make sure it's nice and tight. You are good to go. And the easiest way to get this belt on and off is to actually go and take the bottom cover off, due to the fact that the crankshaft right there is going to be very hard. Unless you have good hands, you can go up under here and reach around. That's really up to you, but I just went on the bottom, put on the crankshaft, and moved on. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that like button, keep that algorithm. I'm here for you wonderful customers, and I thank you for all you wonderful customers and my wonderful subscribers. Thank you.